Seamless replacement. This fog light assembly was specifically designed to look and function like the original equipment on specific vehicles. Excellent value, original equipment quality at a lower price. Durable materials, high-grade plastic protects against weather and road conditions. Easy installation, built to match the original dimensions for proper fit. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Need a new fog light assembly that looks, fits and performs like the original, for less than going back to the dealership? This replacement fog light was reverse engineered to match the stock equipment on specific vehicles. Vehicle model years. This part fits. Be sure to check your vehicle trim using the Amazon garage. Top reviews from the United States. Works and looks new. I am not sure why so many people are saying these ball joints snap off randomly. I had to spend maybe 2 to 5 minutes on each one of these lamps when positioning them in. Getting the old ones out was the pain. I would recommend these if you are like me and couldn't find a replacement plastic lens and was tired of swapping out busted bulbs.